Hey guys, hi, it's Julie, the Creative Chica. So I'm coming on to share the cards that I made with the papers that we were working with. Oh, I need this. And so if you guys will remember, this was one of the papers, and then I have a stack on the side here of my desk with all the leftover stuff of all the different papers I used in all these cards. And so I still have some of this paper. Let's see if I could find this. Okay, so what's left of this paper is one more card base. So that's great. I can make another card. Excuse me. So I can make another card base. And this one, excuse me. Let me get something to drink here. So what I used, some enamel dots. I used some glossy accents here, and I found a butterfly that goes so much with all these colors from the Dollar Tree, and then I glittered it up with clear, I think I used this one by Martha Stewart, Crystal Fine, and then I used this washi, and if you guys saw that the haul that I had from Hobby Lobby, this was part of the Valentine collection, and used these little pearls that come in a little strip from the Dollar Tree. Anyway, so I did this, and that's the card. I haven't put anything on the inside, but that's the first card with this paper. Here I flip this. Here is the second card I did with this paper, using all the different papers that go with this. And then I found this embellishment that goes with this paper pad, and it just is like stripes. And I had put a sticker on there that said create with a little gold butterfly on there, and then I did do the white iridescent paper to go with the white there, and I believe that's from Paper Wishes, this paper, or this butterfly, and I think so. Well, I don't have the packet out right now, but it comes in a butterfly strip like that. Anyway, so there's that. So made 2 cards of that. And then, let's see, my next one was this paper. Whoops, turn it this way. This paper. And then what I used here was glossy accents and glitter. So I did glitter. I cut out the flowers, and I put some ribbon here and a little birthday sentiment and some pink to bring it all together, the blue to go with the blue. I just think this turned out really pretty. I lined the inside with the blue to give it some stability. So there's that. And then this is the first one I made with this paper. And what I did was I did scalloped in red, and then I punched out the different flowers with a circle punch, and put a couple dots to bring in the color of like this teal color. Just a little bit of blue there to go with that. Of course, the pink, this ties in with the pink, little outline of the black to go with the black. So there you have it. On the inside, I did line it with some blue. So there's that one. And then lastly, I made these cards with this paper for a man, some more masculine, and then some enamel dots. And this was a stamp. And then this here, I have a whole bunch that I've cut out. This was a purchase from Etsy, from Digital SVG and Designs for Y'all. That's what it's called. And so I bought a whole bunch, and then I've had them in my stash. I cut them and wanted to use this for a masculine card. So I just wanted to put a little bit of the pop of that color, and then I did distress this. This was white, so I distressed it, inked it with Vintage Photo, and then I inked all the way around, and on the inside I put Celebrate Today. So there's that one. And the final card is this one. Now this one, I really like this one. It's that cream color, and I really like the layout. I did do a layout sketch, and that actually this one came from Pinterest, layout sketch, but I really liked it. And I have 3 enamel dots here, same ephemera pieces, and this one is popped up a little bit with foam tape, layered with blue, like an aqua color and black. And then this paper is this paper, and I wanted to bring in the gold color on these here, and then the black just ties in with everything else, and then this little aqua color will tie in with this, and I didn't want to embellish it too much, and there is nothing on the inside yet, but there you go. So that's how you can use your paper, your background paper, and then bring in your embellishments and bring in your other whatever papers you're going to bring in that tie all these colors together. And so I just wanted to show you guys that I did that this weekend, and that was a lot of fun making these. These will go into my stash, and I've already just made 6 cards, so that made me pretty happy. So there you have it. I love the pink and blue, of course. You guys know those are my favorite. Well, this one's my favorite because of the aqua, and it's glittery. Can't have enough glitter. So anyway, those are, I have a birthday, a thinking of you, hello friend. So these are like thinking of you, another birthday, or 2 birthday for men. So 2 birthday. Oh, and I think I didn't tell you that I used this kind of same paper and made a strip and put it right down the center. So there you have it. So that's what you can do with your paper. Just get your paper, even if you cut it down to a small size, like if you don't know what you want to do with it, you just cut them down to a 5.5 by 4.25, and you can have little bags. You don't have to have like the big amount. Once you pick out your paper, you can just do a small amount and then just have a small little card kits. And when you're ready to make a card, or you feel like making a card, you can put them together and make your cards. So that's it for today, guys. I will be working on some sewing projects this coming week, and hopefully I'll have a chance to show you guys. So I hope you guys are having a good evening, or whenever you watch this. Hope you have a good end of your week, and we'll talk to you in the next video.